Recently, I was at a spiritual retreat where I was one of the facilitators assisting. And there was a gentleman that I knew that was coming that I had met and spent time with before, and I didn't really enjoy the way he behaved. And so I judged him. And because I knew he was going to be there, I asked a friend of mine to tell me about him. And of course, we've heard be kind to other people because we don't know what battles they're facing. And it's true. And as my friend told me about this fella, I realized I had the ability to do something. Because it wasn't my job to change another person. My job was to change me. So in my, excuse me, in my mind's eye, I took out an eraser and stood in front of the chalkboard of my mind, and I wiped it clean. I wiped his name off. I wiped everything that he did and said that I found offensive and unpleasant. And I had a blank chalkboard. I could start all over with this person. And it was marvelous. It really was. It is difficult not to judge people. I get that. And we were warned in spiritual text, judge not lest you be judged. Sometimes when we judge other people, it says more about us than it does about the person that we are judging. So be kind and hope that other people will be kind to you in their hearts when you're having an off day. It's no fun to be judged unfairly, and it's definitely no fun to be the one doing it.